Good morning. Good morning, chat. Good morning, community. Good evening, good afternoon. Happy Friday times. Here we are, ready to fly. Ready to take advantage of the great market conditions. How do you feel today, guys? I do see chat is pretty active. Pretty active chat. How do you feel, chat? Smart, guys. Very important. Like the video. Like the video right now. Like the video, guys. Very, very important. Another Friday, another usual day. Nothing to cheer for. Other than we have some great opportunities of passing evaluations today. Because in no longer than 6 minutes, we have advanced GDP and core PCE data. Change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. In 5 minutes, load up your accounts and get to pass your evaluations. Do not over-risk, do not gamble, and do not be blind by the possible outcome. You want to safely secure yourselves, guys, by the possible risks first. Good evening. Welcome, guy. Friday. 75 grand we're sharing today. Like the video, everyone. Let's just go ahead and invite all the people on stream. Just open the windows and shout out, guys. Shout out. Go to every single trading group, every single community, with neighbors, with all that stuff, and share the link of the live stream. Invite people. We are live. Also, keep in mind that I posted in our Discord, I've updated the highlights of the current week promotions. Which means Lucid is 50% off. 50. Because they have 50,000 users in their Discord. YRM extended their Valentine's promo. Tap on futures for your first user. First time purchase on the platform is running 60% off, and then 45 and 35. And Savius is 60% off for the 25,000 and 50,000 account, and then they have a buy one get one for free. But the one you're buying comes at full price, right? So that's essentially 50% discount. Oh, let me see. What do you guys do? How many minis? 1, 2 minis on a 50k. Yeah. If you want to be fast on your account, then trade minis. If you don't want to be fast, trade micros. Micros, if you don't want to be fast, if you want to take it slowly. If you want to be fast, minis. Depends how you like it. With minis, the safety might not be there. Watch this trending line, guys. Watch this trending line, guys. There's less than 3 minutes to go. We're having our account here. So we're having 3 very important accounts on YRM. We're going to start trading YRM right now. Massive promotions with their Valentine's. We have the big account here that's right now on 177. We have the account which is close to the payout, this one. It needs how many more days? Let me quickly verify that. 2 more days, guys. 2 more days and we're close to the payout. 2 more days and we need 1,200 for YRM, and we're taking another payout. 30 minutes for Savius. 30. Good day, everyone. Great to have you on board. So happy about it. Well, there's going to be a ton of a movement. Are we going to break out? Watch my chart right now, guys, quickly. Are we going to break out right now with the news? Watch that one. Look at it, guys. We got a breakout there. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Make sure to like the video to be able to participate in the giveaway. Like the video, join the Discord. If you're fresh here, this is the Discord link. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. 1 minute to go. The market is already moving. Look at that. We're getting ready for a breakout. "30 seconds to go for the news. Be careful, guys. We have inflation data. I'm going to look into TradingView. We don't have for the moment. Let me open up Quant Tower quickly. Quant Tower. Let's see. Let me open up my Lucid account. So, what do we have? Nothing yet. It has dropped a little bit. Bought in a couple of contracts here. Micros. Advanced GDP much lower than expected. 1.4%, guys. Half than the forecast. 2.8%. That's a huge hit, guys. Wow. And the core PCE came out higher than expected on 0.4%. Look at that one, guys. But the advanced GDP is half than what is expected at 2.8%. We have long the price action. I'm watching it closely. Yeah. Supreme Court is ruling on tariffs today. Certainly. So watch that. We just got rejected completely. This is an interesting level, guys. Ho ho! It's smashing through everything. Lovely initial reaction for the moment. But that's not going to be easy here, guys. I'm also going to long it on the big account that I've got here. The one where we have $27,000. I'm testing along there. 27 grand. It's looking pretty ugly. I might have to cut this one away. Very interesting point. If we're capable of holding here, bouncing for a second, bouncing for initial reaction. Very curious in that. We got a good chance, but you see. Let's see, guys. Nah. Watching this one close, we also longed on Quantower. We also longed on Quantower, guys. Or Lucid Flex. Evaluations. Lovely. I'm out half of it. Putting the rest on break even. I'm fully out. 4,100. 4,135. 4,135. We're 157,902. We need 1,100, and not today. The next day, and we have been fully funding this one, guys. But what about here? Looking interesting. Looking interesting on this one too. We're just gonna celebrate, guys. That was very good. And we had 2 trades there. Yeah, trade of 80 is down too again. Quite of an interesting situation, guys, we're going through here with a price action. Yeah. Good morning, welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on, like the video, be subscribed to be able to participate the giveaways. Trade of 8 is running through some problems. Real problems. Creating a different user experience like it used to be. I don't really like this price action, guys. I have a partial exit there. Partial exit over here as well, except at a 1,000 loss. If the market holds, we're going to be fine, but otherwise... Great. We made it to 4,489 for Lucid Flex on Quantower. We have 158 in the account. Absolutely lovely, guys. Celebration time. 4,489. Lucid 150,000 Flex evaluation. We need an extra 1,000 and we're good to go. But that's not going to happen today because of consistency. Now we got to take care about the YRM accounts. Boom. Not looking too good, guys. 5 minute is weak for the moment. It's kind of weak for the moment. I'm out of this. I accepted the loss here. This could be a reversal point. Right, so we just grabbed the low. We have $25,000 drawdown here, 25. It's, you know, the daily loss limit is there, which is holding me down a little bit. Yeah. We've dropped 130 points so far since the news came out. What are we targeting? 578. Last week's low. We hit the daily loss again. Daily loss on YRM. We have static drawdown. For Lucid, for YRM, we have static drawdown. Once you are taking your first payout, you're having a static drawdown. It's not trailing and following you anymore. So Prop firms do have static drawdowns, yes. I'm selling it for the moment, $200 profit here. Yes, after the first payout, or you're no longer going to have any trailing. It's gonna be static on the original balance plus $100 static. Massive promotion, guys, for the Lucid, 50% off, right? So basically the flex is, I've been speaking about it here on the sales and promotions tab, where we talk about in our Discord with the highlights of the week, sales and promotions. With all the promotions existing right now, 50% on any evaluation, up to 2 users per trader, right? So you can use 50% 2 times, which is why you have to be very smart on your decision. The 150,000 flex is 172, and you get paid 3,000. But you get 2,700 net payout, of course, because of the 90-10 split. If you want no daily loss, then Lucid Flex accounts are having no daily loss. Lucid Flex is no daily loss. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. Watching this price action closely. It's not going to be an easy target with those advanced GDP numbers. Plus the risk today with the court crashing the whole thing. Yeah. It's risky here, guys. We'll see if we get a bouncing here. I'm bidding right below the previous wick. 30 micros. This is an important account because it's only 2 days away from the payout. Yep. 50,000 Lucid Flex is great if you're looking for spending something below, you know, it's $70 or something like that. 70 right now if you're not gonna add more to this. 30 micros. We got into a long here, and this could be a little juicy with a take profit. Yeah, could be quite juicy, guys. We have undercut below the line, right? We got to undercut, and now things could actually release some pressure. So unknown for sure, but certainly, yes, 50% off. 2 users only. 2 users only, so be careful where you put your 2 users. Two users. Yeah, we do have some interesting highlights with the existing promotions. Yeah. Risky level here, guys, if it's... Yeah, the flex is just 170, so, guys. Yeah. I've been writing about it here. 172. Scramble code will give you maximum discount pretty much every single time. No consistency and no target with a Lucid Flex on the funded stage, so it's just insane. Let me see how is my account. Look at that. 4,800, right? That's a little bit more. But this is a challenge, Lucid Flex. Lovely movement, guys. We could actually get some more from it. We could actually get some more from it on the flat opening starting in 10 minutes. We could actually get something from this movement. If we successfully deny acceptance below 720s, then on the hourly opening happening in 10 minutes, you could get some juice. I'm not selling it yet. The entry is right below the bodies of the candlesticks. We've been retesting levels below 730 numerous times with good reaction. We've been undercutting a few times. So if the market makers got their bags nicely filled up, they could actually release some good energy here, and I would be able to nicely monetize. Let's go, guys. This is very important because this is having 2 more days for the payout, today and another one, right? So on Monday we could actually qualify for a payout here. We just have to fight against that 2,000 bucks lost today and make some money. You like the 15-minute candle? You like the 15-minute candle that closed earlier? This one we're looking at, well, the 5-minute is about to do an engulfing. This is another challenge account we have. This one has 4,500 today, the highest. The other one had 4,800 today, the highest. But that's fine. I'm going to trade all this in Monday. We don't have to do too much with them. And hopefully pass this challenge. I was so close, guys, on hitting the target. Look at that earlier. That was so close. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Let's bring up the numbers. Let's raise the energy. It is Friday, indeed. And you guys are about to fall asleep. You've been making so much money this whole week that you guys are about to fall asleep here. Come on. Close to break even here. If we get rejected, I'm out of this. Raise up the energy. And stop sleeping on your trades. We're about to break even here. Come on. There's some nice pressure. Look at that, guys. I want to use that wick. I'll take the profit here, guys. 1,100 profit. I'll have to take the profit there. Thank you, guys. And buy cheaper. Again, do the whole thing back to back. Lovely celebration. Boom. From 2,000 being down, we're down 1,000. Thank you. Let's go. Come on, guys. Five-minute, I'll go. Let's see. The risk is there. Testing out a little short here. Yeah, it's bullish. I'm still watching all of them. There's a very good chance the price action comes back here. Lovely. Take profit around that level. Bring it down, boys. Good morning, welcome. Great to see you, welcome. Good evening, guys. Make sure to like the video, come on. Thank you so much for... We've got the flat opening starting soon. Quite of a risky here. Wondering how many people get into longs at this point. Wondering. Good day, guys. Good day, everyone. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. So you say I disappointed you, right? That's impressive. Couple of seconds and we've got to deal with the opening of the flat candle on the early. Let's see what we get, guys. We got disconnected, look at that. There you go, it's back. We got disconnected for a few seconds. We do have more news. Manufacturing and services PMI. That 5 minute. And the 1 minute here is kept for the moment artificially. And a ladder. It's a sand castle. Lovely rejection. I'm gonna short it from the other account too. With some DCA as soon as we overcut. Stop loss. We got to set it up. And the stop loss has been touched. Daily. We have a daily limit. Let's pour some more green tea. That was the thing. Insufficient quantity at this time. markets are not finding the choppiness patterns that are appearing so often, right? We haven't found the expected choppiness. Ordinary trade is not giving up. He's wired up with the markets and ready to unleash. I prefer to disappoint you, buddy. I feel lovely about it. Just have to relax, man. Just have to relax a little bit. He's gonna appear soon, or he totally disappeared. Because probably he got banned or something. Don't know. So this is where we are printing. From the earlier trade where we hit our daily loss. This is the place we got in our entry. That's the place we got the daily loss. Right at the very top. Right at the very top, guys. I'm out of this for the moment. $362 profit. It's not bad, because we are accumulating days. It's day number 5 here, so we need 3 more days. Look at that. I'm getting ready for any fight. Make sure to join our Discord, guys. Come on, Discord right there. You can't participate in the giveaways. If we don't touch, let me think. So, we're having 190 people watching, 87 likes. That's 110 people that didn't watch. That watching didn't like. So, we gotta quickly reach that 150 likes. And get quickly towards the 200 likes. Otherwise, obviously, we're gonna question big time the giveaways. I don't think it's a market today on sticking with longs. We have the Supreme Court rolling out. On tariffs, very likely. Or maybe we get another delay, postpone. So bring those numbers up, guys. We're short by 100 likes. You want to short the markets, not the likes. Look at that. You want to undercut this. We get into a higher time frame 4-hour candlestick representation. You can't be proud of the 4-hour candlestick we just had. Let me share with you guys. So this is where we are. You just cannot be proud of this and then the 4-hour candle we had. We have the green algo line. We have been responding to the algos from the green line perfectly so far. You can't be proud of the 4-hour candlestick we had here right now. This one has to be reversed in a radical way, otherwise you are in trouble. You are in trouble, and I don't think you're gonna leave too much air in the wick established right there. 250s, 260s, 270s. This is certainly not looking too exciting for the 4 hours. And we got Supreme Court playing games today. Way below 24,000, way below. Well, that's a good thing, guys. You can pass some nice evaluations. Lovely profit here. I'm out for the moment. And the lovely profit over here as well. Evaluation Lucid Flex accounts. Look at that. Evaluation Lucid Flex accounts. Brand new. Brand new. I'm out for this one. And I'm putting stop loss break even here. I'll give some more space for the actual one here. Trying to go for that 4,500. This is the short we had. Even for the YRM account, that's big on profits. How many days? There's a couple of days for them to review your payout right now. Couple of days right now, and then the payout is gonna come. Lovely, guys. I'm out for the moment. 4,200 bucks shorting. Extraordinary. Tell me more about the longs that I should have been doing from 775, from 780s, from all these levels. You've been telling me not to short. Shouldn't take it seriously. Why? Boom. You don't want to skip the giveaways, maybe that's why, right? Boom. Come on, guys. We need 5 Lucid Flex funded accounts as soon as possible. There's massive discount right now, 50% for 2 users only. And then 40 if you still have of the 40. If not, it's going to be 30. For 50,000 passing the account in 2-3 days, it's requiring knowledge and experience in 2-3 days, so you have to be experienced to handle that. I would suggest you more than 2-3 days, maybe 5 days, something like that. Buenos dias. And after that, minimum target per day is 150 bucks. We just banned Extraordinary Trader is no longer here with us. We have been permanently banning him from the channel. It's off. Permaban. Yes, the ones you are watching right now are evaluations of Lucid Flex 150,000. So the Lucid Flex model is no consistency and target on the funded stage. I want to have as quickly as possible 5 funded of this. Only have 1 at the moment, and we have quite a few that are at a great level. Goodbye, Extraordinary Trader. You have been permanently banned from here. We have had enough for today on lecturing. And all the other bullshit. So this is where we are, guys. 7:20:30. We're back to this level, obviously. We had a lovely short here for the big account, a lovely short here, but they pulled the trigger and brought it up close to 790s. And then I got to do my daily loss limit exactly on that wick at the top. So there you go. And since that, we've been just printing, guys. We've been just printing. This is a very interesting level, but I'm telling you today, I don't think it's easier to make money with longs. I don't think. It's possible for sure. You got swings, you got impulses, you got liquidity necessities, so that's not the question there. The question is, where are you advantageous? Where are you advantageous? In such context with a 4-hour representation, you do not tell me that this 4-hour candle that appears here is juicy, unless you are in a short. Good morning from New York City. Great to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. How far can we go today? Well, probably downwards you can go today. If Supreme Court rules out, you know, against the tariffs, you're going to see this price action below 24,000 quite quickly. So if you have flexes, and if they are funded, and if you're on a risking, today is the day to make 30, 40, 50 grand in a single day. Right? But you just need funded flexes. And you just need a high risk appetite. Because then you can take this money out within your next cycles. Printing, and printing. A beautiful part, right? Lucid, yes, new 50%. 50%, but only for 2 uses on Lucid. We're always talking about the highlights of the promotions for the week in our Discord community here under the sales and promotions. It's always listed, guys. Sales and promotions, the last post is there. 50%, but for 2 uses only, Scramble coupon code. Pretty happy about this new 4,200 we made here. Pretty happy about this one too. We actually have actually have 2 accounts sitting close to 159, where the target is located. So I think that's comfortable, and we have quite a few as well sitting halfway through, around 154. And so I think we're well positioned for the next week. Well positioned. Yeah, I have to change the banner, guys. You know, didn't have time today to change the banner. Solo trades. Didn't have time to change the banner. It's 50%. Forget about the banner right now. Yes, not all Lucid, only evaluations and 2 uses only. 2 uses for the 50%. That's the maximum. Only the evaluations. Have to change the the banner. You see, I don't think this is a spot here from what we've got into delivering any significant market reversal here. We've been right about a short, which is why we printed. And there is reshorting this one. That bleeding pattern could still be respected all the way to the opening. But today the 4-hour here looks ugly. Nasdaq is not looking too comfortable. Hourly is in trouble as well. Can very, very easily see levels below 600. Very easily. Look at that. I'm out of this. We made 300 bucks. Let's just celebrate, guys. It's always a great moment to celebrate here. 1,277. Lovely. Do you recommend accounts with a budget of 25,000? No. And let me explain you why. So watch my screen, guys. Lucid Flex 25,000 and 50,000. Right? The question is if that 25k is worth it, or should you completely forget about a 25k option? It's a trap from my standpoint. It gives people the idea of a lovely narrative. Now, for these prices are not heavily discounted here. Basically 50% off is cheaper than what is listed here. But if we compare about these prices, right, then it's $21 extra on the 50 compared to the 25. Only 21 bucks extra, and you get double max loss. So you get an extra $1,000 for $21 extra. Actually less than 21 bucks in reality. If you apply the Scramble code, you'll see that, guys. So for $21 extra to have a drawdown, which is very important. You always got to question the drawdown. Always have to question the drawdown. Very important priority. You pay for the drawdown, you pay basically for the payout, but you pay for the drawdown too. That's the major advantage with the prop firms when it comes down to risk management. We pay a certain value for the drawdown. So an extra 1,000 at a price of 21, and it's actually even less than 21 in reality, is certainly worth it. Obviously, the target is increasing, but percentage-wise, is 6%. On the other side, you've got basically 5% for the 25k. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Those accounts, are they set to only a certain amount of pay? Yes, you have a payout limit for sure. But the good part with the flex is you don't have a target, you don't have consistency on the funded stage. So you're making 10,000 a day, like we did for YRM. We made 33,000. Let me share with you. And then we have 2 daily losses, but let me share with you. So where is the account? This one. Table. Watch that, guys. $32,000, right? If that performance, this is 150,000 instant funded for YRM. Yet if this performance would have appeared on my Lucid Flex funded, I would have had that 32 grand ready to be cashed out. Obviously not in a single shot, but during multiple cycles, I would have went for a cash out. And you know what I would try to do? I would have tried to bring some more accounts in the funded stage. Leave this one open without trading. Bring some more and then do copy trading with minimal profits needed, right? Trying to take as many payouts on each cycle from multiple accounts, probably 5, right? So just take payouts on 5 accounts at a time. I don't want to burn my payouts by taking payouts from a single account and take 5 payouts or 6 payouts from that single account and then be moved to live. Instead, I would take basically payouts from 5 accounts at the same time, if it's possible, of course. But as soon as you make 30 grand in one of your account, it's simple to reach 5 payouts with that account alone, and then you're going to be moved to live. Or 6 payouts on Lucid. So instead of doing that, you better bring 4 more in the funded stage and you take payouts that are multiplied. It's much better, I would say. And I think it's worth the efforts. Looking into the 15-minute approach. Yes, I hit my daily loss limit twice already with that one. And I'll tell you why, guys. On both days, I was not happy with profits. Yesterday, I had twice 4,000 bucks in profit. And I was not securing that. And that was a mistake. Right, so I've been expecting even yesterday and today to make 10 grand from a trade. And it's not that feasible. So I should also get used to this management of such an account. And I have to organize it better, which means 1,000 profit, secure that, and increase the buffer for the day. Because otherwise the 4,500 is there to stop me. Right? Yet if I secure 3,000-4,000 each time, I increase the buffer for the day and I could go for a bigger target. Otherwise, making 10,000 from a single trade is not a good idea, I would say, to focus like that. You can pass Lucid Flex in 2 days. 2 days. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Lovely to have you on board here. When people copy trade 10, 20 Apex accounts, do you know what the target as a profit and loss each day? Seems like that. Pull out 20,000, but wondering how long does it take for them? You know, guys, my opinion about Apex. If there's something to run away from, there you go. I'm not touching it. And you know, guys, why we're not touching it. Like 99% of us, we're not touching it. And obviously, you shouldn't be fooled by, you know, all sorts of pals you see online, guys. You shouldn't be fooled by that. I think we have some great choices and we can go for 15, 20 grand per you know, for 10 business days on prop firms that are reliable, serious, and top level. For example, the ones we're working with. Right, so if you can make 20 grand per 10 days or per week or per month, I would say maybe per month. I think that's a good level to start off from. The expectancy should not be 50, 80, 100 just like that out of nowhere. Rejections. Dart Trader Pro. Refusals. Rejections. Filming your hands, filming your bedroom, filming your office, filming your face, filming your fingers, how you press the button and you enter the trade, filming that there's nobody behind your monitor, you know. And then obviously getting rejected too, because it's 30 bucks, that's why. Nah, just forget about, guys, you know, forget about. The trading business should not be about hundreds and thousands of rules that you're just gonna waste your time and yourselves into the rules instead of focusing on the trading. The question is how, you know, instead of paying for something $30, $20, $15 and not getting paid, but then having the impression of the possibility of getting paid, it's delusional. They're selling you a dream. They're selling you a lovely narrative and story, guys. That with $20, $30, you can get 40 grand. Come on, guys. You have to relax. 10,000 a month, right? So think about 10,000 a month is already possible from 50K Lucid Flex accounts. 10,000 a month is already achievable from 50K Lucid Flex accounts, and that is not requesting you to be a millionaire to buy Lucid Flex accounts of 50K. It's also not requesting you to be a tremendous trader. Obviously, the risk is there because you got to do copy trading on 5 accounts to go for that. I'm adding to my log here. The market has just opened, guys. We got the opening bell. But that's silly. No liquidity grabbed. I was expecting basically we take this high. I was expecting we take that wick. I've DC'd a little bit. And I'm out. Lovely. 1,611. Not needing more than that. Not needing more than that. Not needing more than that. 1,611. Yes, 10,000 is not bad money. Right? People in Europe do not earn as much as money, you know, in United States. It's different, guys. It's different. Europe is different. Costs of living are lower, but the salaries too. And obviously, it depends on the country, depends on the city, depends on the neighborhood, depends on, depends. So the prop firms are there giving the opportunity for people to create something out of smaller amounts. And then obviously from there you can expand it. The most important part is obviously you have a good run. The copy trading there is what multiplies realistically. But at the same time the costs are multiplied too. Lovely reaction out here for the moment, guys. Are the market makers aware about something related to the Supreme Court ruling out on tariffs that we don't know? Are they aware about something we don't know? Tell me, guys. Because I want to know more details. I'd like to know more details. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Good day, everyone. Welcome, guys. Great to see you. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Lucid is running massive 50% off for 2 users. Scramble coupon code on that. No consistency and target on the funded stage for the flex accounts. If you've used your 50% promo, which can be twice, then if you still have out of the 40%, which was before this 50, you can use that. If not, you're going to have 30%, right? 30. Lovely move, guys. Lovely move. Impressive on the 15 minute. Impressive. The question here is, it's not applying on the instant funded. No. I think the instant funded remained on 30. Yeah, I think. But you got to check that out with my code the way it is. I think it remained on the 30%. Let me quickly see. Yeah, it's just the evaluations 50. It's just the evaluations. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. What a good day. What a lovely time out here. I hope you guys made it with some nice, lovely longs here. If you've let your winners, they printed. You gotta leave your winners alive. The best ones are, look at that. Wow. 850. What an opportunity here. %50 consistency. The flex is having 50%, 50. So you can pass the evaluation in 2 days if you know how to trade. Otherwise, just take your time. I'm telling you, psychologically, for the trading perspective, the 1 day pass is not helping you guys. It's not helping you. I just want you to be sure what have passed. Yeah. I just want you to be sure that this is legit, guys. 1 day pass evaluations are increasing the gambling behavior. And your mind will certainly have a more difficult time stopping at proper targets and will try to extend. Why? Because there is a rush there that it is allowed by the policies of 1 day evaluation pass. Think about it. You're passing the evaluation today, you think, well, I can start making money. It's a good feeling. You have no idea how many accounts and how much money was made just because of this psychological trick, 1 day pass. If people would have success with this, guys, the companies would not allow you 1 day pass. It's because most of the people do not have success, and the aggregated costs of doing this is way more for the trader. And I know the feeling when it happens, and when you're on the right side of the direction, it's a great feeling. But I'm telling you, that feeling translated into financial calculations most of the time is not going to play in your favor. So just forget about the feelings when it comes down to trading. Forget about the feelings. You don't have to be good about the money you're making. You have to make money and that's it. You don't have to make the money in your first day. You don't have to make money in 2 days. You don't have to make money in minimum days. You don't have to reach 2 payouts per month. Because you can do 2 payouts per month, you should force for 2 payouts per month. You don't have to do these things to feel great about this additional conditions. You have to feel great about the money you're making. And that's it. Forget about any other stuff. And I hope you hear that and you apply that. You just don't pretty much. Are we going to come down? Are we going to calm down? Yeah, looks a very aggressive movement we had here. All the way to 200 EMA. We pushed basically 200 points. 200 points. Can you guys believe that? In 9 minutes, or even less than that. 6 minutes, 200 points. Yeah. We've got some longs trapped here from the way the wicks are looking. Those wicks are created by the market makers. But then you want to see if they give you a chance to exit. Look at that. Do they want to give you a chance to exit? If this is continuing to the upside, then there is inside trading happening. Insiders. They might be knowing more about today's Supreme Court. Right? Think about it, guys. They might be knowing more about a Supreme Court. Giveaways will start soon, guys. Giveaway will start soon. We don't have news for the moment. We had basically PCE coming out today. But we have news in 3 minutes. Let's not forget about Rat Folder News. Watch that one, guys. These two boys out here, Flash Manufacturing and Services PMI. In 3 minutes, we're going to have some news. We got PCE today coming out higher, but then the advanced GDP reading came out half than what expected, 50% less. Annualized change in the inflation-adjusted value of all goods and services produced by the economy, half than expected. Could be no ruling today from the way the market makers are pushing this one to the upside. Or are they doing this before the ruling comes out negatively and then we see 500 points, 800 points down? Watch that price, guys. This is just crazy. The way we moved here again is crazy. You know how many people shorted this? A ton. A ton of people shorted here. A ton of people shorted once we wick above and we overcut. I haven't touched this silly price. I don't want to get burned. Well, we're waiting for people to let us know when they made money on those accounts. And then we're gonna share it back with the community, that money in cash form. I'll give it to you guys, but people need to let us know. Hey, Scramble, I've cashed out from a giveaway account and I want to give back to the community $100. I'll take that $100 and I'm gonna do a giveaway with $100 cash. Yeah, I can do that anytime. Look at that one. But next week, keep in mind, it's 200 people watching right now. Next week, we're going to have 1 year anniversary of streaming. 1 year. Still have to decide on the date we're going to do the show. 1 year anniversary next week. For those of you that are new and fresh here, you gotta like the video, be subscribed, join Discord, streaming daily. I think I'm gonna do the giveaway soon. I feel like this is quite difficult to trade. That would be interesting. I'm gonna do more trips when I get some relief pumping from my investments. Yeah, we got news in 10 seconds. Look at that one, guys. Manufacturing and services PMI. Watch the price section right now. Get some more radical. There you go. Let's see, where do we rush? Thank you, Jonathan. Not much happening. It was priced in. Preparing mega cake. Ho ho. 1 year anniversary next week. It's gonna be announced. We're gonna have a lovely time. Less than expected on both sides for manufacturing and services. Less than expected. There's not much to go about it. Price action is weird. But let me show you something here. They are hunting this trending line. We have a long trending line here that has not been playing games. It's coming from the 4-hour candlestick representation. And remember the 4-hour candlestick we talked earlier, guys. Suddenly, this whole thing with that 4-hour candle we're about to close, this whole thing becomes bullish, guys. Look at that. Suddenly, this whole thing becomes bullish from a tremendously ugly moment and situation we were. Suddenly, this is becoming bullish. Watch that. 13 minutes to go, and this is your case study. A candle we had earlier would have strongly indicated an acceleration downwards from the way the candle looked like. Exactly. Lucid has scaling contracts. I got girls. Well, I can teach them. I guess I don't have to teach them how to spend money made from the trading and futures world. I guess I have to teach them how to spend less. Maybe not for trading, or maybe for investments. I think that's a little easier. It's a good net P&L, good P&L. It's satisfying. Satisfying. This is where we are, guys. You break out of the trending line. What do you expect? You expecting to still sit below 26,000. This is 4-hour candlestick. Let me ask you a question in the pool. That monthly opening, 5:30. I'll do a poll right now in the chat. Listen up, folks. 530, 25, 530. Monthly opening will be touched in February. Yes or no? Tell me. 25, 530. Are we gonna touch that in February? 600 points from here. Tell me, guys. How do you view the market for the rest of the 5 days? With the breakout that we should see out of this trending line here. This trending line has been respected so well. So it's legit. $25, $5.30. Few minutes and we start with the giveaways, guys, a little bit earlier today. I'm gonna get out there swimming. I'll have a 60 minutes swimming session. You guys are swimming with the ducks, and I am swimming out there like a crazy. I am swimming today. So, well, certainly it's possible if you secure a breakout with a momentum, but let's not forget 200 EMA on 4 hour, 25 300s. It's gonna be a hell of a fight. My purple line here, 25 300s. And there's just 5 days left for that. However, we're kind of getting squeezed here and a decision needs to be made. We're close to the breakout point. You know, it's also a psychological 25k level there, exactly where the trending line comes through. So I don't think we're going to have an easy time crossing that. We need momentum. We need momentum. First anniversary cake. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. With the whole environment. And who's in the stadium? I can't see our community in the stadium. You guys should be out there in the stadium. Come on, guys. Why is the stadium empty? Oh, it's just the preparation times. Gates have not been open yet, right? It's just the preparation for the party. Gates have not been open yet. There you go. I do understand right now. Watch the bleeding here. The risk isn't real. I'll still empty. Right, guys, so 2 more minutes and we start the giveaways. No tickets yet. 1 year anniversary of streaming will be next week, and it's going to be announced. I was thinking doing some social media ads with our live stream. But then we're gonna have some giveaway hunters joining only for the giveaways and asking every 2 minutes when does the giveaway start. Right? They're not gonna join to contribute positively to the community. They will just join to extract from our efforts and run away. No money for flight. Do something crazy for the giveaways. There's many possibilities. Many possibilities out there. Would it be nice to have a tour? If I do a 6 months tour and visit the whole world and meet you up, guys. A meetup of 6 months, a nice tour. The problem is, how do I continue doing the streamings? 6 months tour, meet up with our community member for 1 year anniversary, and then we work for the rest of the 6 months, and then we do the same thing for the 2 years anniversary. What do you guys think about this? Yeah, each winner to get 350,000 Lucid Flex. Each guy commenting whatever, anything to get a max funded account, 150,000, 5 accounts funded Lucid Flex. Interview. Well, I can do quite a few interviews in persons, right? But I have to travel. I have to travel. And focusing on other things right now. 100 accounts giveaways. Wow. We're ready for Miami. Look at that. That's insane. No, we're gonna have a lovely time, guys. And we're usually having it daily. So I think that's great. The 1 year anniversary streaming is going to have some more giveaways for sure. Great places to visit. Great places to visit. Germany. Been a few times. Köln, Dortmund, in Bavaria, in south, in München, in Stuttgart, in Düsseldorf, Hamburg, Berlin. These are the places I've been in Germany. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're starting the giveaways in a few minutes. I've been on, I remember last time, I've been on Allianz Arena, on Bayern München playing. Had a great time. And certainly enjoying some Bundesliga. There you go. Now, let's do our own Bundesliga here and see what we can. I've been through Slovenia. Yes. But I was not visiting Slovenia. I just been through, driving through. Holland, Netherlands. Let me remember. No, I was at the very border, very border with Germany, but I wasn't in Netherlands. No. Flashing a giveaway code on the screen. Poland. Lovely place for sure. And the north as well. Exactly. Yeah, there's a lot to do in north. I like the nature you guys have. Oh. And the Asia. Impressive places. Seoul. Haven't been there yet. Gotta wait. Shaving my hair on the stream would not do that, even if you guys give me $1 million today. Would not do it. Yeah, South Korea, exactly. No, haven't been there, guys. No. Not yet. So if you send me $1 million in Bitcoin, I'm not shaving my hair. Alright, guys, so let's just do it. Let's just do it. Where's the giveaway? What do I have to do? Come on. What do I have to do right now? Where's the will? 2 giveaways today. Lucid affiliate page where I have giveaways is still under maintenance, and I can't give you giveaways from Lucid right now, but I hope they resume their freaking activity by Monday and Tuesday, and we resume giveaways from Lucid. Yes. But now we care about the ducks. So we're going to have Tap 1 futures, and we're going to have the YRM. What do we need? We need the ducks, guys. And remember something very important. We can do for a kids charity for sure. We can do some charity stuff. We can do some charity stuff. We can do some charity stuff. Yeah, I was thinking about it, having some, you know, t-shirts or Formula is here. T-shirts, mugs, all that stuff, and then sending basically all the earnings and profits directly to charity. I was thinking about it, and we're gonna do it. Yeah, in Spain I've been like 10 times, minimum 10 times in Spain. So let's just think about, guys, let's just think about how do we organize from here. Do you remember I said yesterday, from now on we're always going to have on the wheel tomorrow too, which means that that specific account that is supposed to be shared on that giveaway we do will be shared on next, and on top of the scheduled ones of the next streaming will be shared on top of that, right? So we're gonna have tomorrow too, but you don't guess tomorrow, you just guess basically the numbers. So let's just do it. First giveaway, Tap 1 futures, 25k Sim Pro accounts, instant funded, baby. How do you participate? How do you participate? You fill up the form. You like the video. Come on, guys. Let's do it right now. Like the video. Be subscribed. It's ripping, guys. It's ripping, and it's about to break out. Oh my gosh. Do we have news from the Supreme Court? Look at that one, guys. 160 points in 30 seconds. Can you guys verify quickly on Juicy Finance? Verify quickly on Juicy Finance. Do we have news? Michigan. Do we have Michigan? We didn't have red folder Michigan today. I haven't seen any red folder stuff. Look at that one, guys. It's forcing the breakout here. And they're not letting us do the giveaways. Right, so like the video, be subscribed, join Discord, do all these things. Yellow folder today. 70 points down. Look at that. What's happening here, guys? I don't have any evaluations, any... Because I would trade this thing. Watch that. All right, guys. So let's get back to the giveaway. Let's get back. Guru. Guru is forcing his luck, guys. Guru. He gives the imperative of Scramble, you gotta start the giveaway. Start the giveaway, Scramble. Guru is here, holding the line. You guys agree or disagree? Let's just vote. Relax, Guru. We're gonna let people vote. $50 votes and then we... Guru, out or stay? You guys vote. You guys agree or disagree? You guys agree or disagree? Come on. You guys vote. You guys vote. I'm not gonna decide. You guys decide. Community decides. Come on. Vote quickly. Vote. 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 I'm letting him stay, but you guys decide. Guru, try to convince people. You have a few more seconds. Guru, try to convince people. Yeah, he was timeout last time for forcing the line. And we've got 100 votes. So let's see what's the outcome. 102 votes. 60% of the people said out. And 40% say yes. Guru, you're gonna get a little timeout. You're trying to luck next time. Little timeout. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Oh my gosh. Look at a huge drop. It's back. 170 points is down. All right, so let's just do the giveaway, guys. Nasty things. Nasty things. He got a timeout of 30 minutes. He can get back to us on Monday. But the last time, he got a same timeout and he didn't learn the lesson. And now I let community decide. So let's just think about, guys. I'm having the numbers up. I got the numbers up $25,000 from 0 to 9. Guess your number. One guess per person. Start right now. Guess right now, guys. Come on. Guess right now. From 0 to 9, one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Relax. Do not simply spam. And enjoy the ride. This is a $25,000 Sim Pro account tap on futures, instant funded. We're gonna look into how much is it worth. How much is this one worth? $141. 141 bucks. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. Stop right there. Shuffle. But before we shuffle, we're gonna have the tomorrow here. We're gonna have the tomorrow here. We're gonna have the tomorrow there, guys. And now we can shuffle. Tomorrow is gonna be on yellow. If tomorrow hits, this account is going to be shared on Monday. This account is going to be shared on Monday. Make sure you're fully caught up, guys, with the live stream. Hit the live button on YouTube. It's not going to be tomorrow, but could be the number 8 right there. Oh, no stop comment yet. I had it. I just put it right now. You guys don't see it. I put it. Looks like it didn't work. No, you can't pick tomorrow. No. You can't pick tomorrow. Let me know, Badger, if the stop command worked. We have to spin the wheel again. Alright, so we have to spin the wheel again, guys. We have to spin the wheel again. We have to spin the wheel again. Because the stop didn't work. I got 2 stop messages. So we're gonna spin the wheel again. Right, Badger? Am I right? We do it again? We have to spin the wheel again. Waiting for Badger's confirmation on that. Alright. Great. So listen up, guys. Listen up, guys. We're gonna re-spin the wheel. We got all the numbers and we're gonna re-spin. The comments are coming in very slow. Very slow. What if tomorrow comes? What do you guys do? It's gonna be number 4. Number 4. Congratulations for the winners. Number 4, congratulations for the winners. There was a problem in the system, that's why we had to respin. There was a problem in the system, we had to respin. YouTube did not put out my message. A problem with YouTube connection, guys. That's why we had to respin. Because we had an issue with the YouTube's connection. We have to reach out to YouTube. YouTube is the cause. We gotta head over to their headquarters together and smash their windows. Obviously, we're joking. So 30 seconds out there. Competition time. Best of luck, everyone. Spinning the wheel on fire. Chat is getting terrified. Look at that. Never ever a joy. Spinning the wheel on fire. Chat is getting terrified. 5 seconds to go. Who's gonna win, guys? Ron B, look at that. Ron B is having a massive weekend, guys. He's gonna pop champagnes. He's gonna jump. Ron B 97. Did you fill up the form or did you forget about it? that you forgot? Run B. Let me know. Run B did fill up. Congratulations. He did not forget. My hair is disappearing, guys. Look at that. I'm disappearing soon. So look at that. Slowly, slowly, I'll disappear. Thank you, guys. Thank you. All right. Congratulations. What else do we have to do? Yeah, it's time for another round. We're going to have different numbers right now. 50,000 YRM, guys. YouTube was delayed on dropping my comment. That was the reason we had to redo it. Nepotism. Yes, it is. That's the way it is here. Especially when it comes down to Italians, it's just about nepotism. So, let me think about 50,000 YRM, guys. But we're going to have some crazy numbers out there. Wild numbers out there. Hopefully, YouTube delivers my message in the chat. Hopefully. And you guys can see it. Watch for the numbers. We're going to have 3 zeros. One number 1, one number 2, one number 3. 5, number 5. 777, and a single number 8. You can start right now. Start, guys. Start right now. One guess per person. Do not spam. And let me know. 000, 777, one number 1, one number 2, one number 3. 5 number 5, and a single number 8. And then obviously we're going to have that tomorrow too as well. Imagine if tomorrow hits, no one is winning today for this account. But we're going to have 2 YRM accounts on Monday if tomorrow hits. Think about 2 YRM accounts on Monday if tomorrow hits. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. Hopefully, Badger, it's now visible in the chat. Stop right there. Look at that. Confirm if it's visible. Otherwise, I'm going to write it again. Stop right there. No more guesses, guys. It's over. Let me know, Badger, if it has been confirmed. We're good to go. Great. So, shuffle. We're going to have tomorrow on blue. Are you guys ready? Spin the wheel. Tomorrow is here. Chat is getting terrified. Tomorrow, we're going to that tomorrow, guys. Look at that, chat. We're having a pedal. We're having a pedal and we're going to that tomorrow. We're going to that tomorrow, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I don't want to see it. Oh my gosh. Is this real? No way. Look at... No way, guys. Oh my god. There it is, guys. 16 entries on the wheel. 16 entries. And this one, it's rigged. You see the pedal? You see the pedal, guys? That's not possible, guys. You can't beat tomorrow. But let me tell you the good part. Let me tell you the good part. Monday, we're gonna have 2 accounts of YRM. Not both account. Not both accounts, no. Not both accounts. Whoever wins on Monday to receive both accounts. Nah, it's a little bit too much. It's a little bit too much for Monday, both accounts. Monday, we're going to have 2 accounts of YRM. Remember that, guys. Remember. But not both accounts will go to the same guy. The first ranked and the second ranked. You want to do next month and next year as well? We should have it tomorrow or Badger. Yeah, for Monday, we're going to have it Badger on the wheel, right? We're going to have an entry, Badger. And when that comes, you guys decide what we do. No market tomorrow, so it's invalidated. I'm going to open up the markets. I got the keys. I'm going to open up the markets on tomorrow, and they will be officially open by Monday with a little delay. Right, so this is what came, guys, what we can do. A special wheel, Quantum versus Jake. We're gonna have to start thinking about it. Right, so Monday we're gonna have 2 accounts of YRM because that's what it came out. This is a beautiful idea, guys. This is a beautiful idea. So let me see something here. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for today. 175 people. There is about 30-40 people that left. 30-40. Which means they were only here for the giveaway. Right? Should I track them down? No, I'm not doing it. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. Obviously, I'm not going to do it. They got mad and they left. And the market is pushing back. And the market is pushing back. But I am out. Enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy the rest of the week. No, that was pretty hot with it tomorrow. That was pretty good, guys. Just, you know, I've raised the energy. Think about people on Sunday night not having a good sleep. Why? Because Scramble is doing on Monday 2 YRM accounts, and it's their moment of becoming millionaires from a good run, from a giveaway account, taking to the payout, buying more, taking them to the payouts, and in 12 months from this tomorrow situation, I get a call. Hey, Scramble, it's me, that guy who got the accounts with tomorrow. I'm 7-figure trader. I want to send you a gift. I'll send you whatever. $2 million. Think about it, guys. This is a lovely story, which actually could happen, because there's no reason why it wouldn't. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great week in chat. Have a lovely time. I wish you the best out there. 2 YRM accounts on Monday. But Monday we're going to have the tomorrow too. And we might roll it over like we rolled the debt. How do we roll the debt? We just roll it over. Is there any issue with the debt? No, we just roll it over. We're going to do the same thing tomorrow. Have a blessed weekend. Have a blessed day, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Have a lovely time. Meet you up on Discord. Any complaints, any problems, reach out to me on Discord. I am right there. Have a lovely day, lovely time.